Makeupbypita chips, welcome back to another video. Today I'm outside of Sephora and I'm so excited but also so nervous. So this video was highly requested. I've been putting it to the side because I'm so scared. I've heard so many rumors that Sephora does not let you record inside of their stores. So I'm very scared, but I'm doing it for you guys. So basically I started this series called Beginner's Makeup Kit. I did one from the Dollar Tree, I did one from Walmart and also from Ulta. I'll leave those linked down below so you guys can go check it out. But today I'm at Sephora because a lot of you guys really wanted me to come to Sephora. But again, I've heard rumors and I'm really scared that they're gonna approach me and be like, you can't record in here, and I'm just gonna be like, okay, and just walk away very sad. But hopefully I'm gonna ask the girls and hopefully they can let me record in there. We'll see. Also stay tuned because I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Yes, I'm going to be giving away 3 Sephora gift cards. 3 Sephora gift cards for 3 of my lucky pita chips. So if you guys are interested in the giveaway, you guys are not gonna want to miss it, so stay tuned until the end. Also, I want to clarify every single product that I'm going to show you guys. It is a product that I have tried and that I recommend. It does not mean that it is currently in my makeup kit. Some products that I show you I just can't afford right now, but if you guys can afford it, that's why I show it to you guys. I show you guys anywhere from like semi-affordable high-end to like the high-end. So keep in mind that every single product that I show you guys I do not have, because in the last videos people were attacking me like, you don't even have that concealer. I don't have it, but I've tried it and I've used all the products till the end, so I've known the products for a really long time and I've been working with them. I just don't have them in my kit, if that makes any sense. So just wanted to clarify that and put that out there. So now let's go into Sephora and see if we have any luck and if they let us record in there. We'll see. Just wanted to let you guys know that I started working out, and yesterday was my first day working out, and I feel like I'm walking so dumb because I am so sore. I was debating whether I should get off my car. I was like, should I really walk all the way to the mall? Like literally my legs hurt so much. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we're gonna start with primers and then we'll move on to brows. So for primers, these are really good. The Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. Oh, awkward how I'm like missing one now in the index finger. Let me show you guys with this one. The Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. These are really good. This one is the Smooth and Blur. These are $36 for this one. And then also these are like different ones. This one is Protect SPF 20 with sunscreen. This one is color correcting. So basically, as you guys can see, without the primer, with the primer, this one reduces redness. Green always cancels red. And this one's Radiance, like if you want to look kind of glowy and stuff. These are $39, so these are really good. I've actually tried these. I actually haven't tried the new primer stick or the water, basically. I haven't tried these two, but I've tried these. These are really good. Since we're already in the Smashbox place, I guess I can show you guys like the favorite palettes of mine from Smashbox. These are super pretty. Like, I love them. They're really small. If you can find these at like TJ Maxx, but if not, these are really good. They're $29. They have different shades, like they have the matte, the soft light. This one is new actually, and the golden hour and smoky. The double exposures, the full exposure palette is really pretty and has all neutrals, perfect for like when you're starting to do your makeup. And it comes with a primer and a brush for just $52, so that's really good as well. I think that's all I've tried from Smashbox. Oh, and then these that I showed you guys in the last video, remember? The foundation and soft contour for $42. This one is really good as well. But so far, this is like the only thing I've tried from Smashbox. So we're gonna go like basically by brand, like my all-time favorite brands. So this is so far what I like about Smashbox. Okay, now for Makeup Forever. These are my favorites. These shadows are so good. I've tried them before and they're really good. The singles are $19, the duo are $29, the trio $39, and then the 6 for $59. Let me swatch. So pretty. Look, I love them. It's so pretty. I love it. So basically you can put your shadows depending on how many you want. I also was looking at this and it caught my attention. It looks like such subtle shimmers but super pretty. Oh my god, I love it. Shadows from Makeup Forever are really good. I've actually heard really good things about the primers, but I've never gotten a chance to try them. Neither their foundations, but so far from Makeup Forever, what I recommend are the shadows here. They're really good, and the pigmentation is great, and also the blending becomes really easily. Okay, now from Becca, my favorite product from Becca is obviously their Champagne Pop Highlighter for $38. Dang, that's a blinding. Highly recommend the Champagne Pop. Really good highlighter. yeah, so basically I'm just going to show you guys like brands instead of as I go, so that'll make it easier for you guys. Urban Decay has really good lipsticks as well. I've tried just one of theirs, just one, and it was, where is it? Let me try to find it because I get like overwhelmed. Liar. I've tried Liar and it is so pretty, and as you guys can see, it's almost out of it because the color is so pretty. If I could swatch it, but I can't work with like one hand and then holding the other camera in the other hand, but Liar is a really pretty one as well. Alright, now from Tarte, the creamy matte lips are really, really good. I used to use, gosh, see, I get so lost. Was it FOMO? Yeah, it was FOMO, the one I used to have, right? Yeah, it was FOMO. The one I used to have, and these are creamy matte, and these are the transfer proof matte lip creams. These are 20, these are 20 as well. The variety of colors is really good as well, and this one as well, but the formula in these are amazing. Oh, and then also I talked to you guys last time, the 12-hour blush, the Amazonian clay blushes for $29. I am using Festi. Where's Festi? Then I have Festi here. Oh, I guess I don't have Festi. That's weird because that's the one I use, but these are really good. So if you don't want like an overpowering blush, this one is really good as well. And then also the foundation. This one I really recommend it. Is Amazonian Clay Foundation, $39 with an SPF 15, but it doesn't have flashback and it literally lasts us all night long. So the foundation and the lippies and the blushes are like my to-go from Tarte because it is amazing. The formula of foundation is also really good, and they have a big variety of colors, so that I highly recommend it. Okay, from Cover FX, I told you guys last time the anti-aging primer or the mattifying primer are the best, and they're $38. They have a setting spray now. I've never tried it, but it's $31. Also, what is really good are the Cosmos Enhanced drops. I've swatched them and they stayed on my hand for the longest, and these are $42. And then also remember the translucent powder, setting powder for $35. That one is highly, highly good. So from Cover FX, the primer and the powders are really good. Okay, now from Benefit, which I think they have like the cutest packaging out of everyone, the Hoola Benefit bronzer is really good, $29. You can literally bronze and contour with this one, and it does not leave your face looking like really muddy. Also the High Beam for $26, the highlight. Dang, there's underneath. Put it underneath and then your highlight on top, and you're gonna be popping, girl. It's really, really good. Oh, I saw the Dandelion Mini. It's $15, but you can get that one or like the regular size, but the minis are $15. And this is a really, really pretty blush. You might not notice is the Professional is really good and minimizes your pores and it keeps you matte. This one is $31. So if you have really enhanced big pores, this one is definitely for you. And they also came up with like a dewy one. I haven't tried this one, but this one is really good. Oh, and then for brows, these are the brow pencils, and these right here are $24 in a good range of shades. And this one is really good because they kind of do feel like the Anastasia, but obviously way cheaper. So I really like this one. This one's one of my all-time favorite ones. I just never repurchased it again because it's $24. Now I use the Sephora one that's $12, but that one, I really like it. Also, I tried the 24-hour brow setter. This one is a really good one to set your brows. This one is $24. It basically just sets your brows, plus it kind of makes it like 3D. There's this one and the one that makes it 3D. I've tried both of them, but I like the 3D one much better, and they're the exact same price, so just depends which one ever you want. But honestly, between that one and that one, I would say go with the 3D one. I've tried both, but I like this one much better. Unfortunately, I haven't tried anything from Fenty Beauty. If not, I would like show you guys something, but I haven't tried anything from her line yet. But her packaging is so dope. I like her little section, how they have it set up. Okay, another good lippy is Kat Von D. These are $20, and these literally last a long time. I have Lolita, not Lolita 2, Lolita, and it's one of my all-time favorite ones. Bow and Arrow is super pretty too. I don't own Bow and Arrow, but I've seen it on my friends. But Lolita is definitely the one that I have, and I love it. Another thing you have to get from Kat Von D is her Shade and Light Contour Palette, $49. She came out with the cream version of it, but this one is the one that I use all the time, and I really, really like it as well. And it's $49, but it's highly recommended. And then also her foundations are the bomb. Like if you want high coverage, this is the way to go. $35 for the Lock-It foundation. And then I've heard her powder is good, but I don't know, I wouldn't recommend that one because I haven't tried it. But the foundations, I'd highly recommend it because it is super high coverage. It's crazy how I always see Peter Thomas at Marshall's, $52, and over there is always so much more cheaper. And also that brand right there, I always see it, and seeing it real price here, I'm just like, oh my god. Definitely TJ Maxx is the way to go for skincare because they have really high skincare for like half of the, I think it's even more than half of the price. But It just blew my mind away when I saw like the real prices, like the actual ones compared to the TJ Maxx ones. For Urban Decay, I recommend you their setting sprays. Literally, they will make your makeup stay popping the whole night, especially the all-nighter. These are anywhere from 32 to 34. This is the #1 setting spray because it is definitely really good. I highly recommend this one. These are really good too, but I'd rather for you guys to go with these because these are so much better, and you guys will feel the difference once you miss this on your face. Now, if you want a lippy that's more affordable, these the Sephora ones are really good as well, and they're only $12. That one is really good. These are the cream lip stain. These are $14. I used to have more really small. They used to be a really pretty color, but as you guys can see, they have anywhere from really bright ones to nude, and then all the reds. These are really good, and they last a long time, and it doesn't really feel like you have anything in your lips. So they're a cream lip stain, and they smell delicious, and the formula is just amazing. But this one is definitely if you're looking for like a more affordable lippy. Okay, and then also for concealers, I already showed you guys these, but the Nurse Meridian concealer are amazing. They're the bomb, and these are actually $30. Like I said, the only thing I don't like is like the packaging gets really dirty, as you guys can see, but other than that, I really like it. And then from Anastasia, obviously the Modern Renaissance palette is the way to go. This one is such pretty. Look at all the colors. They're so pretty and natural. I showed you guys this one in the Ulta one. Also, her lippies are hella good. The liquid lipsticks are $20. They have different varieties, and I love how she also has lip glosses, and the formula of her lipsticks are really good. I think I've tried one that I bought at TJ Maxx that was a little bit dry on the lips, but the other one that I got was really good, and I've heard everyone talk really good things about it, but I personally like them. They're really good, but they're just a little bit more expensive, so $20 for these. Also, if you want to start building your eyeshadow collection slowly, you can buy the single shadows, which are $12 each. I mean, they are a little bit expensive, but the pigmentation and the formula on these shadows are amazing. You guys might have heard of Orange Soda. That's like their all-time favorite eyeshadow, like the famous one. But the pigmentation is really good as well. Look, her formulas are really amazing. I love her shadows. They're the best. And they're $12, like I said. But this is like a great way if you want to just start building your own palette, if you don't want to buy it, or if you just rather pay like $56 for like a full-size palette instead of $12 for like each individually. Also, I didn't know, but they always have like a little sale section here in the back. It's like basically you take 25% off this one, 30, 50, and then 75% off the bottom row. I thought this is pretty cool. I had never seen it. Oh my god, they have the new Emery-Z highlighter for $28. I'm so tempted to get it because it looks so gorgeous. Oh my god, I want to swatch it with my finger. Dang, that's so blinding. $28. And then I showed you guys this one in the Ulta, but also they have it at Sephora, the Hangover Too Faced Primer. This is my all-time favorite primer, $32 for this one. And then their bronzers in Chocolate Soleil or Milk Chocolate. This one's a little bit lighter, depends on your skin tone color, but these are $30. These bronzers are really good, as well as the Benefit one. I really like it. I actually own one of these lippies and I really like them. Are they really? No freaking way are they $10. No, they're $21. I was like, $10? Let me snatch one real quick. But these are, I think these are lip glosses. The matte ones are $21. So these are really good. I actually own one of these and I love them because they're so good. And then the Born This Way foundation, I told you guys as well, is one of my all-time favorite ones. $39 for this one. I like it because it has really good coverage, but it still looks like your skin tone color. And then the Born This Way concealer, $28. This concealer has really good formula. It doesn't make you look like way too white from your underneath area. Like when you take pictures, it doesn't have a lot of flashback, and it smells like coconut, which is something that I really like. My all-time favorite mascara, the Better Than Sex mascara, is really good. It makes your lashes, like as you guys can see, it makes your lashes super long. This is a mascara that I used to wear all the time, but I just stopped using it. I have the mini size one, but this one I actually love it so much. You guys, if you guys try this, you guys are gonna be hooked on this. And then they also have beauty blenders for $20, but will you buy a beauty blender where you can buy the Real Techniques for $5? But I'll just show you guys. They have like the pink ones, the nude ones now, and the black ones. Obviously the nude ones, I think they made it so it can look like it's more clean, because with the pink you can really notice when you use foundation, but I think I'll just show you guys this for fun. Also, I just passed by the Soft Glam palette. I didn't even notice. This is the new Anastasia palette. Haven't tried it, but it looks absolutely stunning, and it's $42. It's next to the Emery-Z. They don't have a La Mercier translucent powder in a full size, but they do have the mini size. This is the powder that I use all the time, and the one that I highly recommend. So if you guys can get a travel size or even a full size, definitely these are the way to go. Yay, I have the gift cards in this little bag. 3 gift cards. Should I go into Forever 21? Should I not go in? What the heck, we're just gonna go in to take a little quick glance to see what they got, okay? No shopping, just looking around. How dope is that jacket up there, that little crop top sweater? If only I had a flat tummy, I would wear it. That one is pretty cool too. I'm trying to see, maybe I can find like my outfit for Easter since I'm already here. Okay, we're leaving Forever 21. I managed to just leave with one thing, and it's a small little thing, so I'm so proud of myself. Okay, I'm out of Sephora and out of Forever 21. I'm now in my car. I'm so sorry if you hear like a little rumbling noise. My AC is on full right now because it is extremely hot. I'm burning up in here. I'm sitting on my leather seat and my little butt cheeks are burning. Your girl here is like hot right now. This is a little necklace that I got at Forever 21, $3.90 for 2 little circles. I'm gonna show you guys the gift cards. You guys probably stay till the end for the giveaway. So I'm going to be having a giveaway because I want you guys to go to Sephora, buy yourself whatever you want, or maybe even wanting to go spend money, but you could use an extra 20 bucks in your pocket, or whatever you want to use your $20 for. Obviously, you just have to use it at Sephora. So I have 3 Sephora gift cards. Each gift card has $20, and it is super cute. Look, here, whenever I know who the winners are, I'm gonna write your name, and then from obviously me, Pita, and then when you open it up, it comes with the gift card here, and then here it comes with a compact mirror, which I thought was really cute and a really good idea. So I have 3 of these, so 3 of my pita chips will be winning a $120 gift card. So if you guys want to win, I literally have all 3 here because then people will be like, where are the other 2 at? Right here. So basically, all you have to do to enter the giveaway is show me some love, make me want to notice you. So what I mean by show me love, I mean annoy the heck out of me in my comment section, go to my Twitter, tweet at me, like my tweets, retweet my tweets, go to IG, like my pictures, comment on my pictures, go on YouTube, share my videos, like my videos, comment on my videos, just show a lot of love for me to notice you. That's all you have to do. And if you want a better chance of winning the gift card, go to the link in the description box, the glam, enter that link, and then do whatever the steps the link says, and that's even a greater chance for you to enter the giveaway and win a $20 gift card. That's if you want to go like the extra mile, but if you just want to show me love, you can just go ahead and show me love. I still will appreciate it because I love you guys so much. But if you want to go the extra mile and higher the chances of you winning, then enter the link down below in the description box, the glam. It should say glam, and then there's a link. Click on it and follow all the steps there, and that gives you a bigger chance of winning. I think that is my pita chips. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, this video is for me to tell you guys my all-time favorite products, basically what I recommend you. I try to show you guys a little bit affordable, but you really can't go affordable with Sephora because everything is so expensive. Also, very important, the giveaway will last 2 weeks open. Okay, so from here on 2 weeks, I will post a Target beginner's makeup kit. In that video, listen very carefully, in that video, the Target makeup beginner kit, I will be announcing the winners. So if you want to know if you're a winner, you have to go check out that video. I will not tag you, I will not add you, I will not post it on my Snapchat or my Instagram. You have to go watch the Target makeup beginners kit to know if you're the winner. Obviously, I will let you guys know when the video is up. So you have 2 weeks to do whatever it takes for you to get a Sephora $20 gift card in your hand. So that's all you guys have to do. Show love, and if you want to go the extra mile, then enter the link down below in the description box, and the giveaway will be open for 2 weeks, and the winner will be announced in the Target makeup beginner kit when I post it. I love you guys so much. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, this is the highest requested video that I've ever gotten. Like, you guys were going crazy, and I was like, okay girl, I got you. I'll give you guys what you want. So thank you guys so much for all the love and all the support. I will see you guys on the next one. Really hope you guys enjoyed it, and like always, if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to the family, don't forget to subscribe so you can be part of the Pita Chip family. We are growing so fast, and if you ask me how I'm feeling really blessed, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Make sure you're subscribed so you can watch all of my videos, and if you want to keep on watching more and more videos, make sure to check out yesterday's video. You are not going to want to miss it. It's amazing. Also, if you want to get to know me a little bit better, make sure to subscribe to that vlogging channel right there. And if you can't get enough of me, here is my Spanish channel, so you can go ahead and subscribe. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow.